Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the world of infrastructure as a code with Terraform. If you are new to this powerful tool or looking to set it up on your Windows machine, you are in the right place. Terraform simplifies the management of infrastructure by allowing you to define it as a code. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Terraform on your Windows system so you can start automating your infrastructure development with ease. Let's get started. First thing first, head out to the official website. You'll find the download link in the description below. Click on it to get executable files we need to install. And before we proceed, let's quickly talk about the two versions 386 and AMD 64. 386 version is a 32-bit system while AMD 64 is a 64-bit system. It's essential to choose the right one based on your system architecture for optimal performance. Once you download this binaries, then extract it. Once it's done, the next step is setting up the path. Now let's update our system path. Navigate to control panel. From here, go to systems and securities. Then go to systems. Click on advanced system settings. That will open the system's properties. From here, you need to go to environmental variables. Then here, find the path variable in the systems variable. Edit it and add a new path. I already did it for my path here. Just if you're adding new, just add a new one and just paste the path where you downloaded and extracted the folder. Once it's done, okay, yeah, once it's done, let know. We'll with everything set it up. Open the command prompt and type Terraform version. Hit enter. This command will verify that the Terraform is correctly installed and display its version. If you see this version number, you're all set. And there you have it. You have successfully installed the Terraform on your Windows machine. Now you are equipped with harness the powerful of infrastructure as a code to streamline your development processes and manage your resources efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll do my best to help you. Happy terraforming.